Well, hello there everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Time to Cook. I'm Chef Christy. So I am cooking in the campfire again today, but I am making a dessert for you. I don't know if you knew that or not, but you can make a delicious dessert in your campfire. I'm going to be making banana boats, and I'm going to make 3 different kinds. These are so delicious. I'm so excited to show you how to make your banana boat. So let me go over the ingredients that you will need. Okay, you will want to make sure that you get the heavy duty aluminum foil. That is very important. So you will want to take your banana and make a slice all the way down like that. And then you will want to open it up slightly. And open your banana up too. Get your fingers in there and kind of pry it open, just like that. Now the first banana boat we're going to do is just a basic s'more. So I'm going to add some mini chocolate chips. And then I'm going to add some little mini marshmallows and just kind of push it down in there. And then I'm just going to take some graham cracker pieces and kind of shove it down there as well. Just try to shove it down in between those marshmallows. I'm just going to go like this. And I'm just going to There we go. So that's your s'mores banana boat.
The next banana boat that I'll be making is a chocolate and peanut butter crunch. I am adding some mini chocolate chips. And then I have some peanut butter here, and this is just peanut butter on the go. Just makes it easy to squirt that peanut butter out. So just add a little bit of the peanut butter. And then I am adding some honey roasted peanuts. And the third banana boat is a Samoa. So again, add some mini chocolate chips. And then I'm going to drizzle in some caramel, and this is just an ice cream topping. And then some toasted coconut. And then place your banana boats on the hot coals and let them cook for 10 minutes.
Okay, so the banana boats are done. It is time to check them out. And I do not know which one's which. Oh yeah, this is the peanut butter and chocolate crunch. Look at that. Oh yeah. This is the s'more. Yum. Mmm. Yum. And of course, the only thing that would make these banana boats better is a scoop of ice cream. I'm just saying. I'm going with the Samoa. This is my favorite. Oh my goodness, guys. That is so delicious. Well, thank you all so much for watching. If you are interested to see any other camping meals, you can check out my playlist for camping meals. Hope that you give this a try because you will not be sorry. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon with more recipes.